Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Why is this not working? There we go. All right. Good morning, people. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let me get the Zoom guys in here. Let's get everyone in. Admit everyone. All right, all right, all right. Loud and clear. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you, man. Let me just bring the camera down a little bit. Where's my phone charger? All right, what's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Let me just grab a phone charger, guys. I'll be 2 seconds. Yeah. Okay. See you after. Okay. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Let me just make sure everyone on Zoom is in. Yep, awesome. What time is it? 5 more minutes. Wait 5 more minutes, get everyone in. Gold has had an absolutely huge push today. Let me just log into my top step here as well whilst we're waiting. Big massive push on gold today, filling in this big gap that we saw at the open. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back, Zoom guys. Welcome back. Let me log into the accounts here. Awesome. All right. Cool. We are ready. Still haven't set up the new screens on this computer yet. I need to do that. Yeah, we saw an absolutely massive push here in Asia today. I got the scraps of it. This is the whole move I wanted, but I got about 20 at only half because it only closed 50%. You end up coming all the way back down, re-grabbing the lows and just ripping 160 plus ticks, which was, yeah, absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible move. Copper hasn't quite filled in the gap, which is interesting. We'll have a look at copper as well. Copper hasn't quite filled in the gap. Take a look at copper. Just wait till 1 more minute. Let everyone join in. We'll also get the hourly close because you do still have some upside here on gold. You have had a massive push in Asia, which not sure what London's going to bring, but you do still have some upside liquidity. So that's why I was like, okay, cool, we'll still jump on because we could squeeze out more of that. Once we do grab these highs, it's going to be a bit of a waiting game, but gold to continue pushing up.
Recording in progress.
Yeah, gold to oh, that was loud. Gold to continue pushing up to continue to grab these highs is a very nice trade. Very nice trade. 30's trying to flip bullish here on gold as well. So we could see some longs here in a second. Let me just log into personal. Best gold stream on YouTube. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. By far. By far. See. Meow Prince with the negativity already. I think that might be a 5-second ban. Let me just copy the link. All right, cool. So let's have a look. We just had this hourly close on gold. We have just closed a bit of a doji candle, but we're coming down to an instant bottom wick with the liquidity sitting above. What does this look like on gold? You have about 30 plus ticks into these highs. 30-minute just closed with a nice rejection. 15-minute trying to form a sort of morning star here. 5-minute here on gold. If we can see this current 5 reflip bullish, we may see some longs here. If this 5 can flip bullish, we could have some longs here on gold. Let me see. I'm on copper. No wonder this is looking different. You can pretty much just risk off the current previous 15 low as well. We may see if this can flip here on gold in a second. You've come down, you've grabbed the lows, you've broken back above. As long as you hold above this level, gold to continue pushing up, to me looks pretty nice. So you could, if you were to see this 5-minute reflip back bullish, stop loss is around 19. You're trying to flip this for about 25. The only thing is the 30 may regrab the lows. 30, 15, and hourly kind of telling me something a bit different. Like the 15 looks great. 15 looks great. 30-minute looks alright. Hourly may grab some of the hourly lows a little bit more first. Kind of pretty overextended from this move up. Yeah, you had how much of a push was this from that Asia flip up into there? Is about 140 ticks. It's huge. Take it if you want to take it. It's up to you, man. I can't tell you what to do. Entirely up to you. 30-minute might come down a little bit more. If you are in it, you just got to manage based off this level here. I think that 30-minute may grab the lows a little bit more. $15-minute looks good, but the 30-minute, 30-minute looks like you can potentially come down and grab these lows a little bit more. Oh, it is a healthy snack. Don't you doubt the healthy snacks. Yeah, an absolutely incredible push up in Asia. I took these buys in Asia here, literally trying to get this whole push up into filling in this gap, and the daily and weekly flipping bullish. And you kind of see, got the nice buys here, came up. As soon as you grab these highs, close 50%, break even. Came all the way back down, grab the lows, and amazing buys. And there was so many amazing opportunities to get back in this as well. Even here, once you grab lows, reclose back bullish. Gold buys from here up into here. 120 plus ticks. It was a crazy move, which you'll probably see London retrace it a little bit. Gold coming back down here. Fat snacks. So if you close back below this level, you may dip down a little bit more, but now this is gonna be a nice fake out level. You do get read back above this, great. See if we get some longs. If we took this 5 flip, you can pretty much manage if it doesn't hold above that level, which I don't think we're going to. Hourly, I would like to see potential longs, maybe below here, potentially below there. Yeah, it was a crazy push. I know, I was gutted I missed it as well. I just got back. I didn't even watch Asia today, but I literally just got back as this was flipping bullish on the hourly and 30. So I took these little buys. And as soon as I got out that trade, went to break even, and I just went about my day, stopped watching it. You can kind of see then came back down, grabbed the lows, and yeah, it was just an absolutely incredible push. Incredible, incredible push. BTC had a push, really? Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, still holding above that 60s level. Then all my key levels here have gone. Yeah, pretty decent. Yeah, Bitcoin looks good for an overall big push up. So does gold though. Gold on this week looks amazing. Even to at least come up and let me get rid of this. Even to come up and grab that, yeah, last week's high is a very easy target. A very easy target on gold this week. Let's see, 5 minutes, just grabbed highs, closed back below to create a bit of a range. Let me clean this up a little bit. It's getting pretty messy in here. You expect a big range though. Gold, gold just had a 170 tick push up. You may scalp little buys from here, but you're buying right at resistance. So obviously it's much more risky buying gold at resistance over buying gold at previous support. I'll consider maybe this 15 flip if it does look like it's going to flip from here, because this looks nice now. You've come down to get a pretty decent bottom wick. Anything as the 30 may re-grab the lows, but let's see. As long as you risk off that low, you're very safe. Because if you re-break that low, you'll probably come all the way back down into here. Bless you. Thank you, man. So let's see, we've got 7 minutes. 7 minutes on here on gold. Stop loss every time. We'll have a look at copper in a second as well. It's not really showing too much just yet. Gold's looking actually surprisingly cleaner for a change. Kind of similar on copper though. If the 15 can flip bullish, it could be interesting. Potential 5-minute fake out here on gold. How long has this 15 got? 8 minutes. How's that 15 looking? Close to flipping. That's a pretty decent 5-minute potential fake out here. Also just a bit of an ugly range. Maybe a bottom wick on the next 5. I'll consider taking an entry. Let's have a look. And probably risk off that low. It's risky because you're just kind of creating a range, but you may get a decent stop. Let me see if I can log into my Ninja here. I need a pretty pretty strong close to want to take that 5-minute fake out. Well, otherwise, I'll probably have to wait for the 15. Wait for that 15 to actually close. There you go. 2 contracts. Yeah, not that 5-minute close won't be enough for me. What do you have into highs? About 30 ticks. Not bad. Pretty nice. Yeah, I'm waited. Yeah, it's kind of risky buying here on gold. Like I say, if you buy gold here, it's like, yeah, we probably will come up and grab these highs. But it's like you are also taking buys at resistance. This could easily still pull back a pretty decent amount before ripping them. That's why the buys earlier from here were much nicer because you were at previous resistance, and buying gold here made sense. Well, here you're buying gold at support. Here you're buying gold at resistance. Kind of doesn't really make sense, does it? Other than we are expecting it to continue pushing up. But that doesn't mean you can't still pull back pretty well before that. So if you want to use half risk, given you're at the highs, it's entirely up to you. Copper's coming down here. Bit of a waiting game on here so far. If we see gold close bearish on the 15, we're gonna have to wait for the next 15 to close anyway, because you're not gonna be buying off that. You're gonna come down and wait for probably the 30 close. Let me just grab my aircon control, guys. 2 seconds. Five-minute flipping bullish here on gold. Potential buys on the 5-minute close, maybe. Holding that, holding this little fake out level. Fifteen's not quite flipping though. 15's not quite flipping just yet. Yeah, it is a US bank holiday today. But you've already seen gold rip 170 plus ticks. So honestly, gold and bank holidays, you still see crazy moves. Which is what I said on our morning call, you know. Most US bank holidays is smart to take off, but yeah, sometimes you can still see gold have great moves, and you already have seen an absolutely huge move. Copper 15 close on gold. Copper 15 close on gold. Copper 15-minute close, grabbing the highs and actually closing bearish. So no buys on copper for the next at least 15 plus minutes. Gold on the 15. Kind of grabbing the lows, holding support, finding resistance, just creating a bit of a range. It's more so on the 30. It's kind of hovering around this level. You can easily see this pull back all the way back into here before ripping these highs. 5 minutes not really telling me too much just yet. Let's go back to the 15 down here. Yeah, 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours very, very bullish on gold, man. Yeah. So I think you'll see these buys overall, you know, continue pushing for a very, very big push. Just how far are you going to pull back before that? You know, you've already had such a big push today. Such a big push. You could easily just pull all the way back down to here before ripping. You're kind of getting trapped in buys here. You pull back like, you know, 100 ticks before then ripping it. Wouldn't be that crazy. Continue to watch this fire, but it's getting pretty messy in here. Not much of a bottom wick in this current 15, especially in the futures. No bottom wick at all. This could actually flip bearish. Little range in here, a little tough range in here on Goldie. Anywhere in there. And the thing is, once you do actually grab these highs, then you could see a decent pullback. So the only trade I see today is buyers up into here. If we just open and rip these highs, then that'll be it for me for today. So I'm hoping we can get these buyers. But yeah, we'll stay on for about an hour today. Then you guys on Zoom, which update in Discord. We're going to watch this range. Pretty much like London last week. Some of the best trades were just executing it from our levels and just leaving it. Watching the 5 minute. Yeah, it's been pretty boring, to be honest. Very unproductive on gold. Nah, no shorts on gold, man. Nah, no shorts for me. I wouldn't short gold against that big push you've seen today. Or maybe I'd consider some shorts if I say consider it very lightly. If you grab these highs and then broke back below, for maybe a little retracement, I'd consider it. But to be honest, after you've had this massive push up today here, which was the easiest trade, I'm not really too interested in shorting. Not yet, anyway. Definitely not yet. I wouldn't short until you grab these highs. Any retailer who's trying to short gold, I can guarantee is probably doing something like this. This is what most people will be trying to look at on gold. So we want to be buying up into that more than anything. 4 hour, yeah, see, that's still a huge 4 hour resistance. All of this is a big level where, you know, yeah, if you do grab the highs, could you pull back from all of this area? Yeah, definitely. It's a massive, massive area. Massive area. Let's have a look. 5 minute on Goldie. What do you have from there to there? 20 ticks. Not bad. Yeah, silver. I don't really like silver. It's pretty messy to me. I think gold and copper do move nicer. Look at this price action. The price action is a lot uglier, and it's, you know, almost identical to gold, whereas copper is actually a little bit different, can move in its own way. Yeah, never really been a big fan of copper. Not on the entry anyway. I think of silver. I think yeah, copper can move nicer. Decent push up here on gold now. No bottom wick in this current 5. It's the 5 minute for you. There's the volume. Oh, there you go. There's Goldie ripping. There's that rip on gold. Big push. No bottom wick in this 5. Just open and just pushing. If we do grab the highs from here, like I say, that would be me it for London. I'll come back in a couple of hours because you're not going to do anything up here. Just got 10 pips out of rip. Nice. Good man. Let's see if this 5 can actually close bush, because you still haven't grabbed the highs. You still haven't grabbed the highs. What do you have from here to here? 10 ticks. Wow. 14 pips in triple command done for the day. Yeah, there you go. Nice, man. Good work. Just like that. Looks like we're probably just going to rip it. In the hour flip was enjoyable to hold. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. What do you get on that owly flip? Yeah, 24. Nice. 30-minute flip it. Even the 15 kind of held that little morning star. It's pretty ugly, but there you go. There's that rip on gold. What a push. What a push. Well, that's unfortunately very likely. I mean, I'll stay on for a little bit more, but that's very likely going to be London for the day. Because now that you're grabbing these highs anywhere in here, you could just react to it and just range. Look how ugly this is to the left. That's why I wanted these buys. 35 ticks, yeah, huge, man, huge. What a rip. What a beautiful rip. Again, it's the reason I hate the 5 minute these days. As I hate sitting here watching the 5 minute. 5 minute respect to resistance, this 5 minute open, no bottom wick and just pushed. I hate watching the 5 minute. Pass my combine 15 pips. There you go. Good work, man. Good job. 35 ticks, 3 contracts. Amazing, man. Amazing. Good job to you guys who did get a very nice push. Well done. Very nice push. That 5 minute fake out, you know, it's the ugly 5 minute, actually ended up paying out pretty well. Broke above it, broke below, broke back above, held it, and just ripped. Look at that. Crazy. 40. That's crazy. Look at that. What a push. Yeah, it wasn't a comfortable trade. That's the thing. These are the ones where, honestly, the best ones are just executing it, walking away and setting alerts. Legit, if you'd bought that off the 15, again, this is why it's annoying having to watch this 5 minute. You bought this off the 15, you got your stop loss down there. You set an alert there, you set an alert here, wait for your alerts to go off. Cool, you come back, your alert's just gone off, you just made 34 ticks. You know, if you took it on the flip, you just still made 30 plus ticks. Very nice trade. Anyone who was selling there on gold just got absolutely rinsed. This is why we said, do not sell gold. Do not sell gold. Yeah, it could have grabbed the lows, but that's the thing. That's why it's good just to execute these levels, have your stop and just set alerts and just leave it. This is a perfect example, again, of why the 5 minute gave absolutely zero, but the 15 and 30 worked beautifully, and this is just absolutely ripping now. And there's not really going to be a lot you can do after this. You're not going to try and chase this and start jumping in longs, because you're going to have no stop loss placement and you're buying right into 4-hour resistance. Only thing that may give an opportunity is more so copper, but I'm not going to take a trade for the sake of it. Gold just had a beautiful rip there. Copper does still have room to fill in this gap, whereas gold is ripping straight into that big 4-hour resistance. Thank you for the analysis. Yeah, good man. Glad, good job you caught it. A very, very nice push, man. Very nice push. As one of us trading personal, just execute the 50 and not even be sat here watching it. I would have made absolute bank. Yeah, copper could close that gap. It really could. Look at the 30 on copper. Grabbing the lows, holding support. Still got, what, 64 plus ticks into the highs, which is very, very nice. Very nice. It's a huge, huge, huge push. Yeah, it's just a 5 minute just being messy again on gold. Every other time frame is so clean. Every other time frame gold was absolutely beautiful there. Yeah, the copper does look pretty good, to be honest, man. It does look quite nice. Look at that, what a rip on gold. Such a nice push. Yeah, copper does look quite nice. Especially with gold ripping, it's still got so much room to just, yeah, it just continue pushing. For a very, very decent push. What a push on gold. Look at that. Absolutely ripping. This is the whole move we wanted this week. I'm surprised to see it coming first thing on a Monday. That's what we spoke about in the Asian market call. Come down, create that bottleneck. A little bit steeper, but yeah, just keep flipping into all these highs. Which is, yeah, huge for a bank holiday. Even on the 15 on gold. Not much of a bottleneck on the current 15. And you have flipped 65 plus ticks, which is huge. So what's that? All in all today on gold, from the lows of Asia to now, we've ripped 200 plus ticks on gold today. 200 plus ticks is crazy. Crazy, crazy. But now there's no targets on gold now, so there's no point in trying to force trades on gold now. You probably will continue pushing up overall into that area. It's the highs we've been speaking about for a while. But do you want to be buying it here? What do you have into it? So you do have like 80 plus ticks into it, but you still could pull back a lot. Might be more of an execute and leave it trade. Because you're coming into some big levels. But as long as you hold above this next 4 hour bottom wick, as long as you don't grab these highs, yeah, you still got targets, but it's going to be 2.5 hours away. That would be the only real next opportunity on gold. Is if this 4 hour does close nice and bullish in 2.5 hours without grabbing these highs above here, bottom wick, and then you keep buying up into here. It's the only real next opportunity you're going to get on gold. It's the only next trade I see. In the next couple of hours, you're very likely not going to see anything. See how this copper trade goes. See if this can actually close bullish. Because you do have copper to come all the way back up into here. Literally exactly the same as gold. Except gold's on a non-stop crazy run. Yeah, did anyone get any runners on that rip? What a push. What a crazy push. Yeah, definitely. There's a beautiful push. Let's have a look on copper. What do you have into these little highs for a little scalp? 12 ticks, I'm not worth it. So you probably just have to keep an eye on copper now, to be honest. Again, if you don't normally trade copper, you're just going to start trading copper just because you FOMO'd gold. You miss gold. That's a stupid idea. Don't do that. Don't just all of a sudden start buying copper because you missed the gold rip. Pretty nice 15-minute close there on gold. Grab the lows, close back bullish, closed above this level. If you do trade it, as long as you hold above here to continue pushing up into these areas, looks pretty nice. What would your stops be? Your stops would be around 31 to continue up for like 60. Again, it's not what you're going to be taking and just watch every 5-minute close, but an overall outlook for the rest of the day is, yeah, as long as copper holds above this level, yeah, it looks good to me to keep pushing. Gold, absolutely huge 30-minute close. Barcelona trip. Yeah, Barcelona was good, thank you, man. It was good. It was a good trip. It was good, man. It was very nice. Nah, not really correlated. Nah, not too much. Not from what I see, anyway. Still trying to get the grips of copper as well. A reason why I look at copper? No, just looks to move nice. Moves nice, moves well in the European session. Plus gold's already had a big rip today, so you're not going to see any trades on gold for the next 2.5 hours till you get that 4-hour close, so there's no point watching gold for the time being. I called the huge buys up and you absolutely ripped all of it. Massively. So it's pretty much gold's moved on for the day. And yeah, copper, as long as you hold this level, you got buys into here. All right, guys, give me 2 seconds. What's Goldie up to? Copper coming back down. Look at that on copper. What a mess. Gold is absolutely booming. Copper is just a mess. in a very ugly range. Going all the way back down there. Look at that. Huge. You are at that hourly resistance, so it does make sense. You're at massive hourly resistance on copper. And 4-hour resistance. You're a big resistance just because, you know, 15 may have closed bullish. Doesn't change the fact you're still at massive hourly levels. Big hourly resistance not closed above anything. So, you know, copper closed back above here, maybe the hourly. You may see it. To be honest, guys, it's really not that interesting. So, yeah, you guys on Zoom, well I'll let you guys go there. I'll keep you guys posted in Discord, but there's no point watching this. Copper's just created a range. Gold has already ripped out of our highs. There's going to be no trades on gold until you get the next 4-hour close. And for copper, I'm just setting a light up here. If it flips bullish, I'll consider it. But to be honest, I'm not really going to force a trade on copper just because you missed the big gold rip. So for the rest of the day, yeah, don't look at gold. Gold has already had a couple of 100+ tick move. If we do get another trade on copper, it'll only be once this next 4-hour closes. And as long as we don't grab these highs, next 4-hour bottom wick, you guys on Zoom are updating Discord way before then. But as long as you get a next bottom wick on the 4-hour without grabbing these highs, cool. We have buys for the rest of the day to come up into there. But you're not going to get that for the next, 2.5 hours. There's no point watching this for the sake of it. Gold's had the rip. Copper's just ranging. So you guys on Zoom, I'll let you guys go, and I'll talk to you guys in Discord over the next hour, 2 hours, stuff like that. I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers, guys. See you soon. Bye. All right, YouTube fam. Gonna leave Goldie there. You've already had a massive rip now. We called the buys into liquidity. Well, it's already been hit now, so you're not going to see anything on gold for the rest of the day. Copper's creating a bit of an ugly range with the bank holiday. So yeah, gonna leave the charts for at least 1 to 2 hours, and then maybe come back closer to New York if it does anything. It's a bank holiday, so yeah, I'll let you guys go. There's no point watching it for the sake of it. Appreciate you guys taking time to tune in. Go do something more productive. Don't watch gold; it's already ripped. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.